Wish Song Collaboration of the Year.
Wish Song Collaboration of the Year. Distancia, Rob Danielle and Janine. Fly, Power 2 and Philip. Kalakal, SB19 and Block 9. Kasing-Kasing, Juan Carlos and Kyle Echadi. Medyo Ako, Juan Carlos and Moira.
And the Wish Song Collaboration of the Year is
Dagang panuwag ka lang din naging pero pagkinisan. Sabi sila masuko pag makita nila ikaw na pagkawin.
Narinig ka ng rapan. Pinarap na isang di makapasok pinggan. Mas el pakinggan mga saan tayo nakikipagsa.
Siyempre po, bago po ang lahat kay Sir Aris, maraming salamat po sa opportunity. At siyempre po sa lahat po ng management namin at nila Onesie Entertainment, sa Sony Music Philippines, Asintada. At ayun po, it has been grabe yung collaboration na to be with a legendary artist such as with Sir Aris. Isang karangalan na po ito. Pero para sa award na to, sobrang laki po ng binigay niyo sa aming achievement for this one. And may gusto ba kayo sabihin, guys?
Sa ngalan po ni Sir Block 9 at Asintada, maraming salamat SB19 and Onesie Entertainment. It only shows like the collaboration that are being supported in the Philippines, around the globe. OPM is moving forward and up. So congratulations po sa inyo.
Yes, para kay God po. Salamat po.
Thank you so much po!
Congratulations SB19 and Block 9. They will also receive a total of 25,000 pesos as a cash prize. Meanwhile, a total of 100,000 pesos will be granted to Leukemic Indigents Fund Endowment Incorporated and PGH Medical Foundation Incorporated, courtesy of Pure Gold.